Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how you can watch movies, TV shows with your friends online. No matter if they are in your city or in another country, with this tutorial you will be able to watch your favorite streaming services with them. There are plenty of extensions that allows you to do that, but for today's video I'm gonna use this amazing extension called Flickcall. It's free and super easy to use. You and your friend both need to install this extension in their browser. Just go to Chrome Web Store, search for Flickcall and click on Add to Chrome button. The installation will just take a few seconds and you are good to go. It supports all major streaming sites like Netflix, Disney+, HBO Max, Hulu, PrimeVideo, YouTube, Disney+, Hotstar, Zee5 and SonyLiv. What this extension do is, it keeps your videos synced with your friends. Like if you pause your video, it will be paused on their screen as well, and your partner or friends can do the same. To start a party, you need to open a video on any of these sites. Like I'm playing this Netflix movie, then click on the extension icon here and click on Start Flickcall button. It will create a party room for you. If you want to keep the video controls only to you, click on this checkbox here. This way only you will be able to play, pause or fast forward the video. Otherwise just leave it unchecked. Now click on Start Party and click on this Invite Link button here and share this link to your friends and they will be able to join your party. Remember, both you and your friends need to have an active subscription of the streaming site you want to watch. It got some very good features like group chat, group voice calls, group video calls. You can change your name by clicking on this icon here and select any avatar you want. To do voice chat, click on this icon here. And for video chats, you need to create an account on their website. Don't worry, it's free. You can use your Google account for that. If you want to leave the party, just click on this draw and select exit party. It's that easy. I'll leave the link of extension in description. Hope you like the video. If so, then give me a thumbs up and I'll see you in the next one.